Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Teams or Teams, Microsoft, Com, and going straight to the Files tab in the correct team or chat. Once there, check that you have edit or owner permissions, otherwise request access before you change anything. Next, upload or sync the files you'll work on. This prevents duplicate versions. Make sure to name files clearly and add a short description when possible, because consistent names save time when collaborating and reduce merge errors later. Now organize. Create folders with meaningful names and apply the correct permissions to limit accidental edits. Open documents in Teams or choose Open in Desktop app. Co-authoring lets you edit simultaneously and see presence indicators. While you work, leave comments and use mentions to signal teammates. This keeps feedback in line. Also check version history after major edits so you can restore previous copies. By combining structured folders with live collaboration, finish by sharing the file link with the proper permission level. View, edit, or a time-limited link. Communicate expected actions. Once shared, confirm OneDrive sync is current on your devices so changes propagate. If you hit conflicts or missing edits, compare conflicting versions in version history and restore the correct one. Downloading a copy for comparison helps. Finally, if syncing fails, sign out and back in or clear cache. That fix resolves most stuck sync or permission anomalies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.